Hazrat Abu Zabyan states that he heard Hazrat Usama bin Zayd narrating a hadith. He said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched us to Huraqa, a tribe of Juhayna. He narrates, next morning we made an onslaught on them and routed them. He added, I and an Ansari confronted a man, and when we had overpowered him, he uttered, La ilaha illallah. There is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. So the Ansari withdrew his hand, but I spread him to death. When we returned, and this news reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, O Usama, did you kill him even after he had uttered La ilaha illallah? He said, he continued repeating that question. I thereupon wished, due to regret, I had not embraced Islam before that day. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6872.